Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to look at how you can utilize or you can use index and match and be able to match an information from one table to the other. So the information or the data that we're going to use is the employee data, and it has items like employee ID, employee name, gender, department, job title, the county, the salary, and the performance score. So for me to proceed, I need to generate another table which contains these items. And these items, I've said it's employee ID, employee name, gender, department, job title, county, salary, and performance. So let's proceed to generating that table item. You can convert this into table by clicking Ctrl T, or you can come here in the home and then you change this into a table. So we have a table, so we can proceed. And for us to proceed, you click you place the cursor anywhere in any cell, and then you click equal to. So we want index, click tab. So the array is the name. We want to obtain the name, or we want to match the name with the employee ID, and then comma, match. So the match and the lookup value, we want to look at this employee ID EM00. So the lookup value, the lookup array is this, and we want exact match, and then close the bracket. Because we had two brackets, you need to close the bracket again, then you click OK. So let's use another example where we are going to match this employee EMP00. So it's equal to index. So array is this. And then we want to match it. Lookup value is this. First you need to have you have the match, and then lookup value is employee 2, and then lookup array is the employee ID, and then we want exact match, and then you close the brackets. So Mary Acheng. So let's look at employee 001 in this table. Is it Brian? Yes. Employee 002, is it Mary? Yes. Mary Acheng. So thank you so much.